Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Jobscan, Resume, Teal, and Skillsyncer. Jobscan, Resume, Teal, and Skillsyncer are tools that help you improve your resume and job. Jobscan is a great tool for optimizing your resume to pass applicant tracking systems and better match job descriptions. It is very helpful, but the full version can be pricey for some users. It's a free plan, starts at $0. The quarterly plan for $89.95 per month and the monthly plan for $49.95 per month. On the other hand, Resume is an easy-to-use platform that helps you create professional resumes with simple templates. While it's great for getting started, it doesn't offer advanced features like ATS optimizations. It offers a 7-day trial for $295, $44.95 for 6 months, and $74.95 for 1 year. Meanwhile, Teal is a helpful platform for managing your job search, including tracking applications and setting clear goals. It is great for staying organized, but it can take some time to learn how to use all its features. Skillsyncer helps you match your skills to job descriptions, making your resume more relevant to employers. It is useful but doesn't offer as much detailed help as some other tools like Jobscan. It offers a free plan with premium subscriptions starting at $14.95 per month. In my opinion, Jobscan is best for ATS optimizations, resume tools for building resumes, Teal for career management, and Skillsyncer for keyword matching. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.